Well, before you know it, it's going to be hot enough to keep that air conditioning pumping, but before you do, you want to make sure that it's ready for the summer season. So joining us to talk about that are Marc Anthony, owner of Marc Anthony Incorporated Home Services, and Ray Bond, who's the Customer Service Relation Manager. Thank you both for coming in.
Thank you for having us.
Marc, I'm going to jump on you first out of the bat.
Sure, go ahead.
Why is now the time of year to worry about my air conditioning?
Well, springtime's coming. It's the season for pollens and allergens, so we'd like to get into the system and do a good tune-up and a sanitizer where we go in there with a chemical called BioFresh. We spray it through your duct system, goes through your HVAC system, and it kills any molds, bacterias, funguses, allergens that the spring season brings.
So we want to get that before
Right.
it blooms.
Plus, we also get everything ready to go for our. I believe we're going to have a very hot summer this year.
Yeah. Now, this can save on our utility cost as well?
Yes, plus our maintenance that we do, it'll reduce your utility costs by at least up to 30%. You know, we check the refrigerant, we change your air filters.
You talked to us about mold.
Correct. Yeah, this is mold that we found in one of our customers' air conditioning units a couple weeks ago. And this is almost in every air conditioning unit you find.
This is before it started?
Yeah, this is a before and after picture here after we clean it.
So top left is what it may look like, bottom right is what you want it to look like.
That's correct.
Ah, okay. So you guys can do a tune-up.
Tune-up and a sanitizing, and we offer this for $89.
Yeah.
It includes the 2 filters. It includes up to 2 pounds of refrigerant. We sanitize ducts. We put acid tablets in the drain to kill all the algae, from the condensation.
Right.
And basically, we get it running to optimal performance.
And that's an $89 value.
It's $89. We'll send a technician out to your home, possibly Ray here.
Yeah.
And,
so why would this bring me peace of mind?
Well, we give a 12-month no breakdown guarantee after our performance. If after we're done our tune-up, if it breaks down, we'll credit the $89 back towards the repair.
Wow.
Plus, you just want to make sure it's safe, no fire hazards, just to make sure everything's safe and healthy. Have a nice clean air for you and your family.
All right, Josh, we're going to make you work your here. What's the this special that you have running now? Rebate.
We offer $1,000 off.
Yeah.
For the new Carrier Infinity 20 SEER high efficiency green speed heat pump.
Right.
And it's the newest technology on the market. It has variable speed motors, variable speed compressor, so you're only using what you need. So it's a lot cheaper. If you were switching from an 8 SEER to this, you're talking 68% cheaper on your electric bill.
Wow. Okay, now if we want to find out more about this, if we want to call you to make an appointment, what do we need to do?
You can go to our website, marcanthonyinc.com, or you can call us at 855-AC-TODAY.
Okay, well, it's just that easy.
Just that easy.
All righty. Well, I'll tell you what, we're going to put your website on our website, so if you go to delmarvalife.com, we will hook you up with Marc Anthony. Guys, thanks for coming and explaining this to us. It helps a lot. You want to know more? Go to delmarvalife.com. You can click on the show tab. Now, here's a look at what's coming up in the news on First at 5 on Fox 21 and later on WBOC News at 6 and 7 in high definition.